early morning. Been on the road all night. Had to go to Corpus Christi, Texas, pick up a project that I'm gonna talk to you about a little bit later. But we're down here in Corpus Christi now. Just like I said, we've been on the road all night. This is the reason I went to Texas yesterday. I'm not gonna uncover it to show you what it is, but you can see it's an engine of some sort and a transmission. And this is for the project that I said I'm working on. So just like I said, I'm not gonna reveal what it is right now, but you'll see it later on. And we went to Texas yesterday to pick this up. All right, packages came in for the new project that I'm starting. See, Texas Speed and Performance, and I can just tell you what's in there. I'm gonna reveal the project tomorrow anyway. So, but what's in this box, or these boxes, are headers. So that's what's in there. It's just headers, Texas Speed and Performance headers. Hey, yeah, I was supposed to have been starting on a project this weekend, but as you see behind me, it's been raining the whole weekend, so can't start the project. So I decided to go ahead and just reveal, or not even reveal, just open up the boxes to show you the headers that we have. I'm still not going to tell you what the project is because that's still coming. Just as soon as it gets dry again, I'll let you know what the project is, or I'll show you. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and open up the headers, pull it out so you can see it, and the flat box on the ground down there is the actual exhaust, 3-inch exhaust. All right, these are the Texas Speed headers. First time getting Texas Speed headers, but they look like they're pretty good quality. At first I was a little concerned because you see right here there's a space around the collector, or not the collector, the flanges. But I looked on the inside and they're welded in there pretty good around each one of them, so it shouldn't leak. But usually I like to have a weld on the outside and on the inside. So, and I'm not going to take the exhaust out, but I'll show you. That's the X pipe. But it's 3-inch exhaust that goes all the way back. And looks like this is the header extension. I mean, the O2 extension is in here. There was one that was in here also. So I'll just put this one back in here. So, all right, and just like I said, that's just it for what we have for the project. And I'm gonna show you the project one day we get some better weather. So right now it's all the rain that we're having, but I did get a chance to drive the GTO yesterday, and it drove pretty good. I still need to get it aligned, and still gotta get the real cradle bushings put in. So, but other than that, it still rode pretty good, and the G8's still there. Nothing wrong with the G8. Still drives good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put the header back up in the box now, and I'll pick up this recording whenever we start the project. I'll reveal the project. You'll see what the project is whenever I reveal that. So until the next time. The new project, CTS-V coupe. Doesn't have an engine or transmission, but All right, here's the picture of the CTS-V on the inside. See, the car is in actually really good shape. Just a little dirty, but other than that, it's in really good condition. So like I said, it's just a little bit dirty. Okay, this is like I said before, this is what we went to Corpus Christi to pick up. Okay, as you see, it's the 6.2 liter supercharged engine. This is the stock engine that comes in the CTS-V. And like I said before, this is what we went to Corpus Christi to pick up. Engine and transmission. Got the whole wiring harness and computer and everything on it. And we got the tractor here. And you see the CTS-V is up in the air. And we're gonna put the engine in, but you gotta stick around for part 2 in this series in order to see us drop the engine in. Remember to click like, subscribe to see more of these videos and to follow this CTS-V series.